class.
Yeah.
It was bad.
Dude, now he's just hammered because he's hammering this turret.
Hey Bennett, did you ever have Mr. Garcia?
No. Dude, what is this? Torben Twisto? What the heck am I looking at? I'm recording this, by the way, so.
Oh, I remember when you had a 60.04 in math, Bennett.
Oh.
Like algebra.
Wait, that happened?
Yeah, it was like 7th grade. We were thinking computers together and we were talking about it. It is 60.04.
But I'm killing someone. Alright.
Dude, remember when Mr. Garcia wouldn't teach the lessons, he would just get other students to?
Yeah. That was like
And the
half
students
year.
didn't know the lessons, so they had to learn them themselves.
Yep.
That was so stupid.
That was fucking retarded.
Yeah.
Oh, May is now a person, and so is Torben, so.
Your brain gets smart, but your head gets up. Oh,
Yo, when do you think the last time someone said Mr. Garcia is a good teacher was? What
just
stupid
now.
What stupid kid do you think said that?
What said what?
That said Mr. Garcia is a good teacher.
Oh, Brandon.
Brandon?
Oh,
Brandon's a fucking nerd, man. He cried because he got like a 99 or something.
What a nerd.
dude, that guy's on like 880. That's neat. And he just
Oh,
joined,
dude,
and he's
sick
playing Winston.
front
He's
flip.
challenging you.
And Kelsey couldn't give two shits.
I'm recording this game, by the way, because I wanted to show you guys the Torbjorn.
Your brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb. So much to do. To see so
Dude,
what's
are
wrong
you
with
repeating verses or is it just that
Never
long?
yeah, it's an hour-long song. I have it on repeat on my iTunes.
Are you playing it right now?
Yeah.
Is that what you're singing along to?
Yeah. He got me!
Why don't we have the healer?
Because healers are gay.
Come on up now,
Like
wait
you.
till you get older than me. I'm a big deliver. On a home.
Wow, Bennett, you hear that? You hear Wow, that's the best singing I've ever heard.